Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss about the CSC and EC branch cutoff for all the 31 NIT that is present in India. Here I will discuss the category wise, home state and other state cutoff. For example, for a particular NIT, what is the cutoff for CSC for a particular category for home state as well as other state. This type of information you will get here. So watch this video till the end to get all this type of information for all the 31 NIT completely. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section. And for many such video on JEE Main, WBJEE, Comet K and many more, check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start the today's topic. With number 31 NIT, that is NIT Nagaland. Here is the cutoff for CSC and EC. For CSC home state, there is no seat reserved for general category, OBC category and SC category. And for ST category, the CSC cutoff for home state goes to 21,000 and there is no seat reserved for EWS in any branch in this NIT. So for CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 27,000, for OBC 7,520 and for SC 4,100. The OBC, SC and ST and EWS rank, that is the category rank. And for the EC, the other state cutoff goes to, for general category 32,000 and for OBC 10.3 thousand, for SC 5,400 and there is no seat reserved for ST category. So now talk about the number 30 NIT, that is NIT Mizoram. There is no seat reserved for CSC home state quota for OBC, SC, ST and EWS, but for general, the home state quota for CSC goes to 11 lakh and the CSC other state cutoff for general goes to 27,000, for OBC 8,600, for SC 4,400. And for EC home state, there is only general category reserved, that is the cutoff goes to 10 lakh. And for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 32,000 and for OBC 9,500, for SC 6,700. Now talk about the number 29 NIT, it is NIT Srinagar. For CSC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 37,000 and for OBC 30,000, for SC 6,000, for ST 2,200 and for EWS 8.2 thousand. Now for CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 23,000, for OBC 8,000, for SC 3.5 thousand and for ST there is no seat reserved and for EWS the cutoff is 3.2 thousand. Now for EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 89,000, OBC cutoff goes to 1,24,000, SC cutoff goes to 27,000 and for ST category the cutoff is 2,700, for EWS 16,000. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 33,000, for OBC 11,000, for SC 620,000, for ST 2,900 and for EWS 4.3 thousand. Now talk about the number 28 NIT, that is NIT Sikkim. For CSC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 7 lakh, OBC category cutoff goes to 3.4 lakh and SC category cutoff goes to 8.1 lakh and there is no seat reserved for ST and EWS. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 24,000, for OBC 6.6 thousand, for SC 35,000. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 8.5 lakh and there is no seat reserved for remaining category for this branch. And for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 32,000, OBC 8,700, SC 4,800. Now talk about the 27 number NIT, that is NIT Uttarakhand. For CSE home state, there is only two category, which is reserved general and OBC, and the cutoff for general is 24,000, for OBC 11.5 thousand, and there is no seat reserved in this college in CSE and EC branch for SC, ST and EWS. So for EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 29,000, for OBC 15,000, for EC other state general category 20,000, and for OBC 7.1 thousand. Now talk about the number 26 NIT, that is NIT Andhra Pradesh. The home state cutoff for CSC goes for general goes to 14.5 thousand, for OBC 5,300, for SC 2,000, for ST 1,000, and there is no seat reserved for CSC and EC in EWS category. Now for CSC other state, general category cutoff goes to 14,000, OBC 5,100, SC 2,700 and ST 1.5 thousand. Now for EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 17,000, OBC 6,000, SC 4,000 and ST 1,600. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 20,000, for OBC 6.8 thousand, for SC 35,000 and for ST 1,800. Now talk about the number 25 NIT, that is NIT Manipur. The CSE cutoff for home state for general category goes to 4.2 lakh, for OBC 2 lakh and for SC 3.31 thousand and for ST 27,000, and there is no seat reserved for EWS category. The CSE other state cutoff for general category goes to 26,000, for OBC 8,000, for SC 4,300 and for ST 1,700. For EC home state, general category cutoff goes to 4.5 lakh, for OBC 2.5 lakh and there is no seat for SC category, and for ST category the cutoff is 23,000. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 36,000, OBC 10,000 and there is no seat reserved for remaining category. Now talk about the number 24 NIT, that is NIT Puducherry. The CSC home state cutoff for general goes to 1,35,000, for OBC 57,000, for SC 22,000 and there is no seat reserved for ST and EWS. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 15,000, for OBC 4.5 thousand, for SC 2,300, for ST 1,272, and for EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 1,70,000, for OBC 66,000 and for SC 33.4 thousand, and there is no seat for ST category. For EC other state, general category cutoff goes 19,000, for OBC 6,200, for SC 4,000 and for ST 1,800. Now talk about the number 23 NIT, that is NIT Delhi. The CSC home state cutoff for general goes to 11,000 and for OBC 6,000, for SC 4,300 and there is no seat for ST and EWS. For CSC other state, the general category is cutoff is 7,300 and for OBC 2.5 thousand, for SC 1,300 and for EC home state general category cutoff is 19,000, OBC 10,000, SC 6,300, ST 3,800. For EC other state general category cutoff goes to 12,000, OBC 4.2 thousand, SC 2,500. Now the number 22 NIT, that is NIT Meghalaya. For CSC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 60,000 and there is no seat reserved for home state in OBC category, and for SC 82,000 and for ST 11,000. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 16,000, OBC 6,500, SC 3,000 and there is no seat for ST category. And for EC home state, the general category cutoff is 88,000 and there is no seat for OBC and SC, and for ST 23,000. For EC other state, the general category is 27,000, OBC 8,000 and there is no seat reserved for SC, ST and EWS. Now talk about the number 21 NIT, that is NIT Arunachal Pradesh. For CSC home state, the general category cutoff is 91,000 and there is no seat for OBC, SC and ST. Cutoff goes to 40,000. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 25.5 thousand, OBC 6,600, SC 2,800 and there is no seat for ST and EWS category. For EC home state, the general category cutoff is 93,000. For EC other state, the general category cutoff is 36,000, OBC 9,600, SC 5,670. Now talk about the 20 number NIT, it is NIT Hamirpur. The CSC home state cutoff for general category goes to 26,000, for OBC 28,000, for SC 3,000, for ST 1,300, for EWS 7,000. Now for CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 10,000, OBC 3,300, SC 2,000, ST 100 and EWS 1,300. And for EC, the home state cutoff for general category 41,000, OBC 87,000, SC 61,000, ST 2,000 and EWS 11.5 thousand. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff is 15,000, OBC 5,500, SC 3,300, ST 2,000 and EWS is also 2,000. Now talk about the 19 number NIT, it is NIT Patna. The CSC cutoff for home state general category cutoff goes to 16.5 thousand, OBC 4,500, SC 3,300, ST 1,300, EWS 2,200. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 13.5 thousand, OBC 4,600, SC 2,300, ST 1,500, EWS 2,000. And for EC home state, the general category cutoff is 23.5 thousand, OBC 6,400, SC 6,500, ST 3,000 and EWS 3,500. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff is 20,000, OBC 6,200, SC 4,500, ST 2,000 and for EWS 2,700. Now talk about the 80 number NIT, it is NIT Jamshedpur. For CSC home state, the cutoff for general category 15,000, OBC 4,100, SC 2,770, ST 1,800 and there is no seat for CSC in EWS category. And for CSC other state, the general category is 9,500, OBC 3,000, SC 2,000, ST 1,000 and EWS 900. For EC home state, the general category cutoff is 20,000, OBC 5.5 thousand, SC 3.5 thousand, ST 2,300 and for EWS 2,500. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff is 14.5 thousand, OBC 4.5 thousand, SC 3,000, ST 1,200, EWS 1,500. Now talk about the number 17 NIT, that is NIT Goa. The home state cutoff for CSC goes to 25,000 and there is no seat reserved for home state quota in the rest of the category. And for CSC other state, general category cutoff is 7,000, OBC 2,500, SC 924. For ECE home state quota, general category cutoff is 53,000 and for EC other state, general category cutoff is 12,000, OBC 4,000, SC 3,000. Now talk about the Number 16 NIT, it is NIT Agartala. For CSE home state, the general category cutoff is 99,000. There is no seat for OBC, and for SC 8.5 thousand, for ST 34,000, and there is no seat reserved in this college for EWS category. For CSE other state, general category cutoff is 17,000, OBC 6,000, SC 3.5 thousand, ST 1,400. Now, for EC home state, the cutoff for general category goes to 1,68,000, and there is no seat for OBC. For SC 25,000, for ST 35,000. EC other state, the general category cutoff is 25,000, OBC 7.5 thousand, SC 5,000, ST 2,100. Now talk about the number 15 NIT, that is NIT Raipur. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 20.5 thousand, for OBC 10,000, SC 4,000, ST 1,650, and EWS 3,200. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 11.5 thousand, for OBC 3,700, for SC 2,000, for ST 950, and for EWS 1,300. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 47,000, for OBC 18.5 thousand, for SC 6,400, for ST 2,000, for EWS 6,000. EC other state, general category cutoff is 16.5 thousand, OBC 5.5 thousand, SC 3,700, ST 1.5 thousand, and EWS 2,000. Now talk about the number 14 NIT, that is NIT Bhopal. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 8,500, for OBC 3,000, for SC 2,000, for ST 800, for EWS 1,100. For other state, CSC cutoff goes to for general category 7,300, for OBC 2.5 thousand, for SC 1,600, for ST 800, for EWS 900. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 13.5 thousand, for OBC 6,000, for SC 4,000, for ST 1,800, for EWS 2,000. For EC other state, general category cutoff is 12.5 thousand, OBC 4.5 thousand, SC 3,000, ST 1,300, and for EWS 1,700. Now talk about the number 13 NIT, that is NIT Jaipur. For CSE home state, the general category cutoff goes to 4.5 thousand, OBC 1,700, SC 400, ST 500, EWS 600. For CSE other state, the general category cutoff is also 4.5 thousand, and for OBC 17,000, 1,700, and for SC 600, ST 400, EWS 600. For EC home state, general category cutoff 9,000, OBC 3.5 thousand, SC 700, and for ST also 700, for EWS 1,300. And for EC other state, the general category cutoff is 9.5 thousand, and for OBC 3.5 thousand, for SC 1,100, ST 1,200, and EWS 1,300. Now talk about the number 12 NIT, that is SB NIT Surat. The CSC home state cutoff for general category goes to 6,400, OBC 3,700, SC 1.5 thousand, ST 800, EWS 1,200. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 6,300, OBC 2,200, SC 1,000, ST 500, EWS 800. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 17.5 thousand, OBC 9,500, SC 10,000, ST 3,000, EWS 3,100. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 11.5 thousand, OBC 4,000, SC 2,700, ST 1,200, and EWS 1,800. Now talk about the number 11 NIT, that is NIT Jalandhar. The CSC home state cutoff goes to 11,000, OBC 9,400, SC 2,100, and ST 5000, EWS 3400. For CSC other state, general category cutoff goes to 10,000, OBC 3200, SC 1800, ST 1000, EWS 1200. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 19,000, for OBC 21,000, for SC 5800, and there is no seat for ST category in this branch. And for EWS 5200. For EC other state, for general category cutoff goes to 15,000, OBC 5,000, SC 3300, ST 1800, and EWS 1900. Now talk about the number 10 NIT, it is NIT Silchar. For CSC home state, the general category cutoff is 27.3 thousand, OBC 18,000, SC 4,000, ST 2,000, and EWS 5200. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff is 13,000, OBC 4,000, SC 2100, ST 1000, and EWS 1700. Now for EC home state, the general category cutoff is 45,000, OBC 32,000, SC 6.6 thousand, ST 2,000, and EWS 9,000. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 18,000, OBC 6,000, SC 4,000, ST 1800, and EWS 2300. Now talk about the number 9 NIT, that is NIT Durgapur. The CSC cutoff for home state for general category goes to 17,000, for OBC 14,000, for SC 2600, for ST 2,000, and for EWS 5100. For CSC other state, general category cutoff goes to 9.1 thousand, OBC 3000, SC 1500, ST 800, and EWS 1100. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 22,000, OBC 19.3 thousand, SC 3700, and for ST 6200, for EWS 5400. And for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 13,000, for OBC 4,000, for SC 2500, for ST 1200, for EWS 1600. Now talk about the number 8 NIT, that is MNNIT Allahabad. For CSC home state, general category cutoff goes to 4100, for OBC 15.500, for SC 800, ST 800, EWS 600. For CSC other state, general category cutoff goes to 3600, for OBC 1200, SC 7.500, ST 400, and EWS 4.500. Now for EC home state, the general category cutoff is 8500, for OBC 3000, for SC 1600, for ST 1.5 thousand, for EWS 1000. For EC other state, the cutoff for general category goes to 7500, for OBC 3000, for SC 2000, for ST 1000, and for EWS 900. Now talk about the number 7 NIT, that is NIT Kurukshetra. The CSC home state cutoff for general category goes to 7200, for OBC 3000, for SC 1600, for ST 3.5 thousand, for EWS 8.500. For CSC other state, general category cutoff goes to 6300, for OBC 2.2 thousand, and for SC 1300, ST 600, and EWS 700. Now for EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 14,000, for OBC 6,000, SC 4,000, ST 27,000, for EWS 1800. Now for EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 11.5 thousand, OBC 3,500, for SC 2.5 thousand, for ST 1200, for EWS 1400. Now talk about the number 6 NIT, that is VNIT Nagpur. The CSC home state cutoff for general category goes to 6,000, for OBC 2,400, for SC 900, ST 800, EWS 1,000. For CSC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 5,000, OBC 1,600, for SC 800, for ST 300, for EWS 800. For EC home state, general category cutoff goes to 9,000, OBC 4,000, SC 2,000, ST 1500, and EWS 1400. Now talk about the EC other state. General category cutoff goes to 8,000, OBC 3,000, SC 2,000, ST 700 and EWS 1100. Now talk about the number 5 NIT, that is NIT Calicut. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 11,000, for OBC 3,500, for SC 1,500, for ST 9,000 and for EWS 3,000. For CSE other state, the general category cutoff goes to 5,000, OBC 1,500, SC 800, ST 400, EWS 700. For EC home state cutoff goes to 17,000 for general category, for OBC 5,000, for SC 5,000, for ST 13.5 thousand and for EWS 5,000. For EC other state, the general category cutoff is 9,000, OBC 2,500, SC 750, ST 700 and EWS 1,000. Now talk about the number 4 NIT, that is NIT Warangal. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 3,000 and for OBC 1,200, for SC 650, for ST 220 and EWS 300. For CSE other state, general category cutoff is only 2,000, for OBC 700, SC 250, ST 130 and EWS 220. For EC home state, the general category cutoff is 5,200, for OBC 1,700, SC 1,000, ST 350, EWS 650. Now for EC other state, the cutoff for general category goes to 4,800, for OBC 1,800, for SC 800, for ST 500 and for EWS 500. Now talk about the number 3 NIT, that is NIT Rourkela. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 10,000, for OBC 4,500, for SC 2,600 and there is no seat for ST and EWS category. For CSE other state, general category cutoff goes to 4,200, for OBC 1,200, for SC 512 and for EWS 500. For EC home state, the general category cutoff is 13,000, for OBC 6,000, for SC 3,000. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 6,000, for OBC 1,800, for SC 1,000. Now talk about the number 2 NIT, that is NIT Surathkal. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 3,600, for OBC 2,700, for SC 1,100, for ST 350, for EWS 1,100. For CSE other state, general category cutoff goes to 2,200, for OBC 650, SC 300, ST 110 and EWS 250. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 6,200, for OBC 5,000, for SC 2,600, for ST 1,100, for EWS 2,500. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 5,200, for OBC 1,700, for SC 1,000, for ST 400 and for EWS 600. Now talk about the number 1 NIT, that is NIT Trichy. The CSE home state cutoff for general category goes to 5,300, for OBC 2,200, for SC 1,300, for ST 5,000, for EWS 2,000. For CSE other state, the general category cutoff goes to 1,400, for OBC 400, SC 150 and for ST the cutoff rank is only 55. For EWS 170. For EC home state, the general category cutoff goes to 9,200, for OBC 3,000, for SC 3,000, for ST 5.5 thousand and for EWS 21,000. For EC other state, the general category cutoff goes to 3,000, for OBC 1,000, for SC 500, for ST 350 and for EWS 400. So that's it about the branch CSE and EC cutoff for all the 31 NIT that is present in India. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel for more such video and like this video and also share this video to your friends. Thanks.